Hi everybody, this is Sai, Maths Teacher, DAV Public School, Dr. NDTPS, Ibrahimpatnam. In this video, I'd like to present some of the shortcuts that are helpful for you while doing simplifications in solving the problems. Here let us try to understand to find the square of numbers. How to find a square of a number. These ideas will be very much helpful for you while dealing with the Pythagoras theorem problems. Let us see the case 1. To find the squares of the numbers ending in 5. The examples are 5 square, 25 square, 35 square, etc. etc. So to find the square of the number 5, we take 5 as 0, 5. So 5 square is written as 0, 5 into 0, 5. The number in the tens place is 0. So find the product of 0 and the digit next to 0. That is, the digit next to 0 is 1. So 0 ones are 0. And find the product of 5 and 5, which is equal to 25. Together we can write 0 and 25 as 0 to 5. So 5 5s are 25 we will get. That everybody we know. Now let us apply the same principle to find the square of 15. The digit next to 1 in the tens place is 2. Now find the product of 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2 and units place is 5. 5 5s are 25. Putting together 2 and 25 together, we will have 15 into 15 is equal to 225. Similarly, to find the value of 25 into 25, the digit next to 2 is 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 5s are 25 in the units place. Together it becomes 625. So 25 square is 625. Similarly, to find the value of 35 square, 35 into 35, 3 4s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. Together it becomes 1225. Square of 35 square is 1225. Similarly, to find the value of 45 into 45, the digit next to 4 is 5. 4 5s are 20 and units place is 5 into 5, 25. Together it becomes 2025. So very fastly we can get to find the value of 55 into 55. 5 6s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. The answer is 3025. Similarly, 65 square is written as 4225. 75 square, 7 into 8 is 56 and 5 into 5 is 25. 5625. 85 square as 7225. 95 square is the number next to 9 is 10. 9 tens are 90 and 5 5s are 25. Put together it becomes 9025. Similarly, for the 3-digit numbers also 105 square, the number next to 10 is 11. 11 tens are 110 and 5 5s are 25. So the square of 105 is 11,025. Likewise, we can find the square of any natural number ending in 5 very easily. Coming to second case, how to find the square of a number starting in 5. The numbers starting in 5 are 51, 52, 53, even 50 square also you can write, etc. up to 59 square. So to find the square of 51, you take 5 in the tens place. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is added in the units place. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26 and 1's place is 1 1s are 1. 0 1 we will write. So the 26 and 01 together it becomes 2601. Thus 51 square is equal to 2601. Similarly, to find the value of 52 square, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27 and 2 2s are 4, 2704. To find the value of 53 square, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 28 and 3 3s are 9 is written as 09, 2809 we will write. 54 square is written as 5 5s are 25 plus 4 is 29 and 4 4s are 16 is 2916. Similarly, we can go for 55 square as 3025, 56 square 3136, 57 square 3249, 58 square 5 5s are 25 plus 8 is 33, and 8 8s are 64, 3364. 59 square is 3481. Now naturally we will have a doubt how to find the squares of numbers neither ending in 5 nor starting with 5. Let us start with a basic example, 36 square. Here we will use the standard identities a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, or even a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square also we will use. So here in this case let us use a plus b whole square. 36 square is written as 30 plus 6 whole square. Take a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 6. So we write 30 square plus 6 square plus 2 into 30 into 6. 30 30s are 900, 6 6s are 36, and 2 into 30 into 6 is 360. The result becomes 1296. Initially it may take some 15 to 20 seconds for you to simplify the problem. After solving 10 or 20 examples, within fraction of seconds you can tell the answer. 36 square is equal to 1296. Similarly, we can apply a minus b whole square also. In this case, we will write 36 as 40 minus 4. So 40 minus 4 whole square is equal to 40 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 40 into 4. 40 40s are 1600 plus 4 4s are 16 minus 2 into 40 into 4 is 320. The result becomes 1296. Even in the third case, we can use a plus b into a minus b. The product is a square minus b square. To find the value of 36 square, it is written as 36 into 36. Subtracting 4 from the first 36 and adding 4 to the second 36, and then adding 4 square. Do not change its value. Without loss of generality we can write. So that is written as 36 minus 4 into 36 plus 4, and whatever we are subtracting 4 and adding 4 is added as plus 4 square. 4 4s are 16 it becomes. 36 minus 4 is 32 and 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. And simply easily we can find 32 into 4 is 128. So 32 into 40 is 1280 plus 16 is equal to 1296. Here is another important pattern. How to find the product of 91 and 99. This type of pattern is based on the sum of two units places put together becomes 10. Here 1 is in the units place, 9 is in the units place. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. For such type of patterns, easily we can find the answer. So the number in the tens place is 9. The next number is 10. 9 tens are 90. And multiply the units places, 9 ones are 9. 90 and 09, the product becomes 90,009. So 91 into 99 is 9009. Similarly, 92 into 98 can be found as 9 tens are 90 and 8 twos are 16, 9016. Then it can be extended for 93 to 97. 9 tens are 90 and 3 sevens are 21, 9021. 94 into 96 is 9 tens are 90 and 6 fours are 24, 9024. And 95 into 95 is 9025. 96 into 94, already we got 94 into 96 by commutative property. Both are equal. The product is 9024. Thank you very much.